We are sailing on the brand new Star Princess. The ship hasn't even come out yet. It's not supposed to have its inaugural voyage until the October 4th next month. And again, we are sailing on the Star Princess, the brand new Star Princess, for free. I'm going to tell you how he did it and how you can do it too. Stick around.
Monkey love, oh monkey love, travel. Pack your bags, let's hit the gravel.
Welcome to Monkey Love Travel. My name is Jason, and as you just heard, we are sailing on the brand new Star Princess for free. Now, we've never sailed on Princess before. So, how we did this is we used their casino tier match program to our advantage. Okay? So, we are, not avid, but we are gamblers on other cruise lines. We gamble on Royal, and we gamble on Carnival and Margaritaville. So we took those offers. We took one of our balcony offers for Royal. We submitted that, and I will put the link to the tier match program in the description below. So please be sure to like and subscribe. That way you get all the information that you need. Again, it'll be in the link below. In the description below. So we submitted that balcony offer to Princess. Only took a few days, heard back from them, and they offered us a balcony cabin on pretty much any 7-day sailing. Now, this one turns out to be an 8-day sailing. And we are ecstatic. We've never, like I said, we've never been on Princess. We're looking forward to it. Now, it's not on the inaugural voyage. It is for March 28th of 2026. So, and it's going to be out of Miami. And again, we are super excited to do that. And it's so easy for you to do it too. If you've got offers sitting in your account for your other cruise lines and you want to try getting on Princess, maybe you can get on the same sailing we are on. We'd love to find out who you are. We'd love to meet you and talk about your experiences. But again, take one of your tier offers, submit it and see what happens. It's not going to hurt you. Maybe they'll offer you other ships. It could be any. Maybe you'll get better offers. I don't know. But it's always worth a shot if you're willing to take the time to submit. It only takes you a few minutes to fill out, and bam, they get you to put a deposit on, and you're also required to pay the taxes and fees. So initially, it cost us right around $700 up front, but we get 400 of that back once we get back on ship to use as onboard credit. Hey, I'm perfectly fine with that. I don't know how you feel. Let us know in the comments below if this is something you would do yourself. So one of the things that, besides it being a brand new ship, it's their most luxurious ship yet, the Star Princess, is the sister to the Sun Princess. So if you've been on the Sun Princess, you're knowing what to expect. One of the other things that has made us super excited about this is their package plans. They have what they call their Princess Plus and their Princess Premier plan. And we are going to be doing the Princess Premier plan. And it just has so many things included. You get up to four Wi-Fi devices per person. You get priority seating at the shows. You get all the specialty dining included. Unlimited digital pictures. The list goes on. And again, I will include that information below. But we were super excited. I mean, not only the Wi-Fi, but it also includes the gratuities for the staff and your drink package up to $20 per drink, which pretty much covers 99 or 95% of the ship. And again, I haven't been on the ship, but that's what I'm hearing. So again, we're super excited. All these things are going to be included. To me, it sounds like a great deal. A lot less than we would spend trying to do this on other ships as well. Plus, it's being a comp cabin. I can't tell you how excited we are. Hopefully, you can see just how excited I am. And I want you guys to be able to experience the same thing. But that is all I have for you today. It was a short, sweet, and to the point video. It's all about the excitement here. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please, 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 please leave us your comments below. Tell us what you think. Are you looking forward to the Star Princess? Do you even know about the Star Princess until you've seen this video? Again, please hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps us out, gets this information out there for others to share and to absorb. So again, my name is Jason with Monkey Love Travel. And until next time, seize the day.
Monkey love, oh monkey love, travel. Pack your bags, let's hit the gravel.